Welcome. This episode we are going to build part 5-46J Lubricator Ram for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 5-46J Lubricator Ram for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So it's file, new, part MMGS. Let's save the file. Okay, this one's pretty straightforward. So let's go top view, sketch, we'll circle. Pretty much 2 cylinders pretty much. Let's see, smart dimension, smart dimension, that's going to be 25, and it's going to be thickness of 3, and we're going to do a slight fillet of 1. Let's try 1, maybe 0.5. There you go, 0.5. Perfect. There you go. Yeah, just try a gold coin. How cool. Okay. We've got a sketch on the bottom of that one. We want another circle. It's going to be right. Hello. Thank you. Right there. It's going to be thickness of 5. Hello. 5. That's going to be extruded out by 35. 35. And done. And that's that part done. That's part 5-46J Lubricator Ram for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon done. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Very short and sweet. Click the like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep building.